I remember one time we went, I think at Great Woods, we went to see in the Fiddler's house, which was Perlman performing with all the top klezmer bands, KCB, Frank London, really top, wonderful people. And afterwards, we were sort of slow leaving, because we had a wonderful time. On our way out, we saw some of our friends. I think, I don't remember if it was Michael or Frank, or somebody said, come to the party after. I said, okay, fine. And we go to the party, and we're there with our kids who are little. And they said, hey, you should go to see Perlman. I said, what do you mean? Who us? He said, go. He'll enjoy you guys. We go in and we start speaking to him in Yiddish. And my son at some point, who was, I think, I don't know, he couldn't have been more than 7, said, I want to see the greatest fiddler of them all. We went and had a wonderful conversation. It was just very special to do that with the family.